those numbers change significantly depending on how hard I press. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's how it works. That's for recreating the sense of touch, or attempting to.
This week, DP Video went to the engineering quad to sit down with students working on a senior design project to develop a prosthetic arm with touch sensation. The students gave us an inside look at the mechanisms behind recreating touch in tools like these.
When we think about the process of how we get from the arm grasping to the data being collected to the user getting the sense of touch, it all starts with an EMG signal. And so the EMG signal comes from those sensors that you're wearing right now. And what it would do is it would take the hand and it would tell the motor to close.
When you flex, for example, here, or you flex your forearm, this muscle might be flexing a little bit harder than this one. So then when you have, let's say it's like 2 electrode connections there, you're essentially getting the voltage difference across those 2 points. So for example, that there. And they just route you up to the board. And then when you flex, one of these softwares, for example, picks up data like this, and then it's able to make a decision. Basically, you're communicating to the computer. You basically tell it, move motor, or close the hand. Which to close the hand, you would need to tell the motor to move. And so then the motor would spool the wire, and then the hand would close.
So it's actually taking signals from here and transferring it to the hand.
Yeah.
So now if with the hand then I were to touch something, it would send the signal back? Is that?
Yeah, so that's the idea. So then with the hand you would touch something, you notice right now he's routing it. Okay. But these little sensors would be essentially at the fingertip of this device. So let's say I had a sensor here, sensor here, sensor here, or a sensor here. Then someone, let's say, poked your pinky. That little motor that's connected to your pinky will push into your skin. Or someone pokes your thumb, another one will push into your skin. And so then from there, it's all a matter of getting used to it, and then the person will be able to say, oh, if I poke this finger, this motor right on top of my bicep is going to poke me. Or if I poke with my pinky, the one behind my arm is going to poke me. So you'll be able to differentiate which finger is being touched without having to look at it. And that's the goal with haptic feedback, touch feedback. Essentially, the motor's providing that sensation, but your brain's doing all the connection.